A Brooklyn couple is traveling the country to document history and to help others as well.
And doing so by telling the stories of those who survived COVID-19 and sharing the struggles they've overcome and they're still dealing with. News 12's Emily Lorsch tells us about their project, COVID-19 Survivor Diaries.
We drove from New York. We went down the East Coast to Florida, through Alabama, Louisiana, Texas, and then we went through New Mexico, Arizona, Utah.
When Morgana Wingard and Jacobus Bester lost their jobs during the pandemic, they set out to make a difference.
Educating people about what it really means to have COVID, how long the recovery is, and then document it for the sake of history.
That's with their project COVID-19 Survivor Diaries. The idea sparked from Wingard's work in Liberia back in 2014, documenting the Ebola outbreak.
It made a huge difference in stopping the spread of the outbreak because it changed people's attitudes and therefore their behaviors.
So their hope, to get the same response to COVID-19.
I wanted to do something where we were able to help share stories and spread awareness. It is not a 2-week disease. There's some people who don't know if this is ever going to go away for them.
This couple is seeing patterns and issues survivors are struggling with. For example, their reproductive health.
Through the interviews that we are doing and sharing these stories, hopefully that would encourage others to talk about things that might be personal to them that they would then share to help others.
In addition to posting survivors' stories on their website and social media pages, they also published a small book and are working on a larger one and a film series as well.
It's one thing if you hear it from a stranger on TV, it's something else if your sister says it to you. So we're helping these people share their stories and they're sharing them with their communities.
Emily Lorsch, News 12.